Welcome back, you guys. We got the detail union working on the Mustang over here. We're getting this thing corrected and ceramic coated, bringing out the shine again, because if you guys remember, like we really drove this car and it wasn't protected, and unfortunately we do have some dings and some dents, some scratches. So they're gonna take care of the Mustang, and they came to my garage, which is freaking sweet because I'm so busy I don't have time to drop off the car. So them coming here to work on the Mustang is freaking amazing. But anyways, this is kind of where we're at. We washed it, we clay barred it, and we're getting ready to do the first couple steps of paint correction. And yeah, the Mustang is a little hurt, but it will definitely look 1,000 times better. We're getting ready for modest, so with all those lights, indoor lights, this thing will super shine, you guys. It's pretty sick. I can't wait. But pretty much updating the Mustang, it's gonna pretty much look like this at modest, you guys. We got the headlights, the Raxium headlights. I love those things. Poverty stars, drag pack over here, and then tinted lights. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Nothing too crazy. Oh yeah, my carbon fiber right there. I might try to add another QR code in the engine bay. I don't know, I'm so lazy, but so then people can scan the engine bay and not walk to the side of the car and scan the Mustang. So as you can see though, with just clay barring the car, it literally already looks shiny. Just finished like the first cut. And as you can see, it is getting great results, you guys. We'll get some shots of them working on it, but basically they're mainly in Cali. They're expanding here in Minnesota, and then they are expanding also in Michigan. So, but basically this car's only been in touchless car washes. Still working on the Mustang. Still cutting. It is like the next day. We've had well over 24 hours into correcting this Mustang. We're getting ready to ceramic coat pretty soon here. We are using CarPro products, CQ, and then Quartz Sick. So not the top of the top brand stuff, you know what I mean? But like, it works. So that's what we're using on the Mustang. We're getting ready to do ceramic coat, and look at the next car, you guys. I'm pretty stoked. We got a Corvette over here. We try not to cover this one so much in this video maybe, but like, this is all about the Mustang, right? But we do love our C7Zs. As you can tell, this thing is beat up. Damn! Anyways, this Corvette, you know, been driven. This is a very driven Corvette, you guys. Hand washed and touchless only in this, and I'm gonna say it right now, it is very like sandpaper like, just like how mine was too. So that's pretty much it. So we're done with pretty much everything. We're just getting ready to ceramic coat, and then we're moving on to the vet. Dude, this is so sick. I need a vet in my garage. All right, we're getting sidetracked here. We're gonna finish the Mustang really quick here. We should be able to ceramic coat it over here, outside of the dust and everything out there. So damn, it is sparkling. So we still have the Mustang to finish up. We just finished up the Ram really quick here. But moving on, we're gonna start working on this Corvette here, you guys. Whew. Dude, I'm telling you, the union, wait. The detail union is absolutely killing it, you guys. I mean, we're talking about 3 cars getting ceramic coated in 4 days, man. That's a lot of hours, you guys. Whew. It is for sale. This vet is for sale, so we're gonna get a quick detail. That's going in under the knife, you guys. So it is for sale, $65,000 as is, and then $70,000 with the extra 3 sets of wheels that it comes with. So pretty sweet. It is like a monster truck because he raised suspension, stock bolts all the way up. So. But brand new tires, wheels are good to go, man. This thing is sick. It's already got headers and everything. So Great vet for $65,000. That's a freaking steal. I was gonna buy it, but then we bought the Mercedes. So yeah. Anyways, let's get to detailing. So this is what the first layer of Quartz 3.0 looks like. And we're also gonna add a second layer, which should be the top coat of Sea Quartz Sick. We did the final coating on top, you guys, the Sea Quartz Sick. So I don't know if you guys can tell the difference here, but I'm trying to capture the same lighting, the same angles and everything. And this would be the final coating that we put on the Sea Quartz Sick, you guys. And absolutely looks sick. Holy smokes, you guys, this is a totally different car. So hopefully you guys enjoy the quick detailed video of the Mustang, of it getting paint corrected and ceramic coated. Like I said, we will be at Modest. This probably will be uploaded after Modest, but make sure you guys come out and support. It's a good event. I like the River Center, and the lighting there is freaking immaculate. So I'm hoping that this Mustang just absolutely shines out there, and hopefully we can take home a trophy. You never know. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. It could happen. Who knows? I don't know how many Mustangs are going. I don't know how many domestics are going. It's more like an import car show, I would say. But nonetheless, let's see if we can take home a trophy. And thank you, everyone, for watching. And shout out to the Detail Union again. Peace.